Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to use Snapchat on two phones. First, open the Snapchat application on your mobile device. Next, log into your account using your username and password. Now tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner of your screen. Then, go to Settings by tapping the gear icon in the top right corner. Here, scroll down to ensure you can see the logout option, confirming you're logged in on this phone. After that, pick up the second phone and open the Snapchat application. On the second device, enter the same username and password you used earlier. Finally, tap on Login to access your Snapchat account on the second phone. Keep in mind that Snapchat doesn't allow simultaneous logins on two devices. So when you log in on the second phone, you will be automatically logged out of the first one. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.